What's up, everybody? What we're doing today is I'm going to show you how to upsize your plant starts in 3 different stages, so you can start from seed and then move them up to larger containers right here. And then once they're established in these smaller containers, we're going to move them up to larger containers like this. You can see I got them packed in here side by side, and that'll maximize the amount of food you can produce in a container. Now this is one that's been growing a little bit longer. These are golden beets, you can see down there. First off, you want to start your seeds in a container like this, a 6-pack tray. I started these under T5 fluorescent grow lights, and you can go back and watch a video on how I started the seeds. We'll let these grow a little bit longer, get them a little bigger before we transplant them into these 4-inch containers. So we're going to simply take these out. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Carefully, I'm going to stack these side by side as close as I can together. And you can see that I took the soil down about 4 inches below the top. Okay, the roots are falling apart there, so you want to be real careful. Okay, we got a couple more. So I think I'm packing in here probably 10. So let's do 2 more. Okay, there's another one. Let's do this carrot. Carrots are difficult to transplant as well. Let's go ahead and backfill. And then these ones right here, I'll let them grow a little bit longer, and then we'll plant them in these 4-inch containers right here. 1.67 pints. So this seems to be a good size. I like this size container. All these I bought it at the nursery and just saved these containers. The 6-pack, then the 4-inch, and then I like to have like something like a 16-inch pot. Not too deep. You don't need really a lot of depth when you're doing these beets and carrots, because the carrots are only going to grow down about to here, so there's no need to have all that extra root space. Okay, I'm going to spread these out just a little bit, make sure they got even spread, and then we will backfill with a little more soil. So we have some soil here. Let's go ahead and start filling in the voids. We'll fill this in real carefully with 2 hands, make sure we don't damage any of these. Backfill all the soil, and then it'll look like this one right over here. So that's how you do it, you guys. 4 stages of plant growth to guarantee success, because starting seeds directly in the soil is really difficult, and you're going to have a tough time getting them started. So you really want to do it in this 4-stage method and have a continuous harvest over and over again, as long as you keep up with your seeds. Keep planting seeds every couple weeks, and then you'll have a continuous supply. So all right guys, thanks for watching. I got to finish this up. Okay guys, so last thing is to water them really good. Make sure these don't dry up. Looking good. Okay, got these ones over here. All right, we're gonna have an endless supply of greens. All right guys, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button, click like, and we'll see you on the next one.